Everyone thinks the best-selling junior golf clubs are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Precise Kids Golf Club Set, red. Let's kick things off with the Precise Kids Golf Club Set in red. Priced around $158.71. This set really caught my eye for its all-in-one convenience. If you're looking for a complete package that makes learning golf fun and accessible, this is worth a serious look. This set includes a driver, hybrid wood, 2 irons, a putter, a stand bag, and even 2 head covers. Designed specifically for kids ages 6 to 8, it ensures that the clubs are the right length and weight for developing golfers, which really helps them swing comfortably. The oversized, lightweight club heads promote higher launches and better forgiveness. This means your child can hit straighter shots and build confidence without the frustration of missed swings. It's no surprise that it has a solid rating of 4.7 stars from over 2,800 reviews. Now, some people complained about the set being a bit too lightweight, which might not feel substantial for kids transitioning to heavier clubs. Here's the thing though, this lightness is actually a blessing for younger players who are still developing their swing mechanics. It helps them learn without the strain, so it's a trade-off for those just starting out. This is perfect for you if your child is age 6 to 8 and just starting to explore golf. Skip this one if your young golfer is already advanced, as they might need something more tailored to their skill level. For the price, you're getting an entire set that covers all bases. Now, if the lightweight feel of the Precise set isn't what you're looking for, the next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Precise Kids Golf Club Set, blue. Next up, we have another model from Precise, but this time it's the Kids Golf Club Set in blue, also priced at $158.71. The first thing that stands out is that it's designed for slightly older kids, ages 9 to 12. If you want a set that grows with your child's skills, this is worth taking a closer look. Just like its red counterpart, this set includes a driver, hybrid wood, 2 irons, a putter, a stand bag, and head covers. The clubs are specifically tailored for kids between 4 feet 4 inches and 5 feet 1 inch, ensuring they swing comfortably. The lightweight graphite shafts mean they can generate speed without straining. This matters because the right club configuration can significantly enhance their learning curve, allowing them to concentrate on technique rather than struggling with weight. Some users noted that the blue color might not appeal to every child. But honestly, if your kid is serious about golf, they'll appreciate the quality and performance over aesthetics. Plus, it's all about what feels right in their hands. This is perfect for kids age 9 to 12 who are ready to take their game to the next level. Skip this one if your child is still in the beginner phase or prefers a more playful design. With its solid build and performance, it offers great value for money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for something unique. Product number 3, Precise Kids Golf Club Set, pink. Here we go with another Precise Kids Golf Club set, this time in pink, also priced at $158.71. What I love about this set is that it caters specifically to young girls who want to feel empowered on the course. If you're searching for a set that's both functional and stylish, this is definitely worth considering. Similar to the earlier models, this set includes a driver, hybrid wood, irons, a putter, and a stand bag. Tailored for ages 9 to 12, it guarantees the right height and weight for young golfers. The oversized club heads not only promote higher launches, but also offer better forgiveness, which is crucial for beginners still refining their swings. The 4.7-star rating among 2,800 reviews reflects how well it resonates with young golfers and their parents. However, a few customers mentioned that the pink finish may not be durable over time. But to be honest, while it's always a concern, this set is designed for learning and fun. If the pink color wears off, as long as your child is enjoying the game, that's what matters. This is perfect for young girls aged 9 to 12 eager to take up golf in a stylish way. Skip this one if your child prefers a more neutral color scheme. For the price, you're not just getting beautiful clubs, but also the confidence that comes from having the right tools. Now, if you're looking for something simpler and more budget-friendly, The next set might just fit the bill. Product number 4, Confidence Junior Golf Club Set. Now let's talk about the Confidence Golf Junior Golf Club Set. Priced at $109.99. This set is a real steal for what you get. If you want a reliable option that focuses on essential features without the frills, give this one a look. This set is designed for kids aged 8 to 12, with a height range of 4 feet 6 inches to 5 feet 1 inch, making it a solid choice for young golfers. It includes a driver with a 15 degrees loft, 2 forgiving irons, and a mallet putter, all geared toward helping kids hit straighter shots. The Junior Flex graphite shafts give them the power they need without compromising control, which is perfect for learning proper swing techniques. Some customers have mentioned that the set comes with fewer clubs compared to others. While this is true, I think it's actually an advantage for beginners. Fewer clubs mean less confusion and a more focused approach to learning the game. It's all about building a solid foundation without overwhelming them. This is perfect for kids aged 8 to 12 who are just getting serious about golf and want to keep things simple. Skip this one if your child is ready for a more complete set with extra options. Overall, it provides amazing value for the price. Alright, if you want something specifically designed for young girls, then the next product might just be what you're looking for. Product number 5, Golf Girl Junior Girls Golf Set V3. Last but not least, we have the Golf Girl Junior Girls Golf Set V3, priced at $109.99. This set is all about giving young girls the confidence to step onto the golf course with style. If you're looking for a girls set that caters to their needs, this one is definitely worth a look. The set includes a 15 degrees driver, 2 irons, and a mallet putter, all designed with Junior Flex graphite shafts for that extra touch of forgiveness. The oversized driver head helps young golfers find the sweet spot more easily, which is a huge advantage when they're just starting out. Plus, it comes with a matching pink stand bag, making it both practical and appealing. However, some reviews pointed out that the club lengths could be a bit short for taller kids. But honestly, this set is designed for younger players, and if your child is within the recommended height range, they should be perfectly fine swinging these clubs. This is perfect for young girls who want to learn golf in a fun and stylish way. Skip this one if your child is on the taller side and would benefit from longer clubs. For the price, you're getting a complete set that makes learning enjoyable. Now let's wrap things up and compare all these great options. To sum it all up, we've covered a fantastic range of junior golf clubs. The precise sets in red, blue, and pink cater to different age groups and preferences, while the Confidence set offers a more budget-friendly option without skimping on quality. Finally, the Golf Girl set is perfect for young girls wanting to learn in style. Ultimately, the right choice depends on your child's age, skill level, and personal taste. I hope this helps you find the perfect set for your young golfer.